and welcome to Tech with Anirudh. Today, are you ready for an exciting announcement? I've just created my own version of ChatGPT. That's right, I've developed an AI assistant that's just as helpful as ChatGPT but with even more features. Introducing Ani ChatGPT, an AI assistant that's here to make your life easier and more fun. With this assistant, you can ask anything you want and get a quick and accurate response. And that's not all, folks. It has an array of exciting features that will blow your mind. You can choose the prompt, the model, and even set the creativity level. This means that you have the power to direct the conversation in any way you want. And if you're curious about a specific topic, just ask the assistant and it will search the web for you. You'll get the information you need in no time. Plus, this assistant is always up to date with the latest news and trends. So you can ask anything about topics after 2021 and get the relevant answer. Overall, this AI assistant is incredibly powerful and has already gained a lot of popularity. In just 2 days, it has already received over 150,000 visits. I created this in a week. Unbelievable, right? So what are you waiting for? Give this a try. I'll show you how to use it in just a moment. Now, so first, where you need to go is chat.techwithanirudh.com. Now, you need to log in or register with your Google account. So let me click on login and sign in. So this will start chatting. First, you need to click on the new chat button. So here, the special feature about this is you can, it'll give you a list of prompts which you can use. So like, I have all of these prompts. So let me choose a storyteller. And let me hit that. And what will you need a story about? Maybe interesting, real story. What? Sure. Right? So this is good. So now let me just wait for a second. Here you go. It generated the story. Here it says there lived a boy named Ravi who lived in India, and yeah, it was about a pearl necklace, and yeah, it's a very nice story. I'll just have this in the comments if you like. So the next thing is a AI assisted math tutor. So this robot can act like a math tutor. It can help you solve your math questions and help you understand topics better. So let us just choose math teacher, right? So what would we need to learn? Let's say we want to learn prime factorization, right? Or yeah, prime factorization. So it's thinking, yeah. So this is the answer which it gave. So about it. So the steps to find it out are find the smallest prime factor, yeah, and all of these steps. If you want this example too, I'll just link it in the comments below. If you want to change it to a different model, like I know Da Vinci, so it would be like a more GPT-3 based model, Da Vinci 003, and I can ask it to write a Python program that prints hello world. Let's just ask it to do that. See, it gives you the result. And yeah, you can choose custom models too. Now, you can select this chat, delete your chat, and let's just ask it. Sup. So yeah. Sup. What can I do for you? Yeah, so yeah, this is it. So you're all set to use this amazing AI assistant. I hope you enjoyed this demo and found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. So to just use this, go to chat.techwithanirudh.com. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. Like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.